Increasing product assortment is a great way to grow sales in your business. Being able to offer different items other than just t-shirts and hoodies, it's an opportunity. You can go out to existing customers and you can offer them something new and grow sales, increase that average order value and that customer value along the way. One of my favorite categories to decorate with a heat press, it's a bag. To begin offering bags in your business, I'm going to give you 3 tips in this video, and they're all around printing the bags accurately. Tip number 1, order in the bags from your blank apparel wholesaler that you think will appeal to your client. I'd recommend ordering one of each bag and doing this all together. If you just open up the full catalog and say, hey, we print bags, you're not really going to identify specific choices that would appeal to your client. You're not going to know all of the features of the bag, and most importantly, you're really not going to know if you can print it or what location you can print on the bag. So step 1, order in one of each bag. Step number 2, when you receive those in, you want to actually load them onto your heat press. Every bag is going to load onto the heat press just a little bit different. If you're working with a Hotronix heat press, you're going to have the nice cantilever design, so we can split that bag open, we can load it over the Platen. But no, sometimes we're going to have to change the Platen to be able to accommodate the shape of that bag or that particular pouch to be able to get rid of the buckles and the zippers and hit that print location. Not only will we have to use a Platen sometimes, often we'll have to use a print perfect pad or a heat printing pillow to be able to get that item flat or to have that excess liner that's inside, that mesh lining, sink down in and still get nice, flat, even pressure. This is all part of being in the business and doing your homework up front, understanding how that bag is going to load onto your press. Once you've identified exactly how you're going to load it, there's one more step before we can start selling, and we need to measure that print location. Coming up with the design size that you're able to offer to your client on that particular bag is going to make you the logo expert and is going to make the sales process go a whole lot easier for you. So step 1, order in the bags. Step 2, load them onto the press and figure out the design location and the max allowable design size. And step number 3, figure out what transfers you want to offer. There's no use in opening up your full catalog and offering hundreds of different transfer styles that you can put on shirts. The reality is a lot of bags are heat sensitive and they may scorch or they may melt underneath the press. And so when you have those bags in, you can actually create a dummy application for the full dwell time at the appropriate temperature and figure out where's the breaking point of that particular bag for that print location that you've identified. One other tip when you're selecting different transfer types to offer onto bags is try to pick something that's a little bit more durable. Something like a CAD Prints Permatwill application where it's actually sublimated twill, it's going to be extremely rugged, often match the texture of the bag, as in this case on the backpack, and it's going to be something that's not going to wear off. Of course, there are hundreds of styles of transfers out there, many of which will work on bags. I recommend identifying 3, a good, better, best, that you can bring your client's logo to life onto this important category. With this know-how and this knowledge, you're set to get started. Go out, source those bags, find the design locations, figure out your good, better, best transfer options. Now, decorate them, take them out to your client, and start growing your business. If you like this video, click like, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching Stahls TV.